Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You should begin now by locking down prerequisites: math, basic statistics, and Python. Start small, install Python and practice with pandas for data cleaning. Once done, pick one open dataset and run a simple analysis: clean, visualize, and summarize. Make sure to document every step in a notebook or README so your work is reproducible. This builds a portfolio and teaches how real data behaves. You'll gain immediate feedback and impetus to keep going while you plan next, more structured learning. Once you have basics in one project, expand into machine learning fundamentals, models, evaluation metrics, and why regularization matters. You must practice with scikit-learn, run cross-validation, tune hyperparameters, and compare baseline versus improved models. Alongside, learn SQL for data retrieval and visualize results clearly. Make 2-3 polished projects with end-to-end notes: data source, cleaning, model choice, metrics, and shortcomings. This stage is about execution detail, so you can explain trade-offs and decisions. To finish the transition, polish your portfolio and present short case studies that highlight impact and methodology. You should deploy one project or create a clear README and publish code to GitHub, then network and apply for internships or entry roles. Make sure to practice interview problems and communicate results. If things stall, diagnose root causes, confirm fundamentals, simplify a project to demonstrate requirements, and seek mentorship or peer review. This troubleshooting step fixes direction quickly and keeps momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.